All right, it's day 10 already for Jenny's countdown to Christmas, so let's see what's in this bag. Okay, so I guessed that it was maybe a pattern because it really feels like some sort of paper. Somebody else guessed that it could be a calendar. I think that's a really good guess too. So let's see what's inside. It's a long bag. Oh, it looks like it might be a project. It's a gnome pillow. So it looks like we have all the applique pieces in here to do the pillow. So I'm not the hugest fan of gnomes. I think some are cute. If you watched my unboxing for Annie's Holiday Quilters Club, I actually have the pattern here. It's kind of, I mean, this has the buffalo plaid, which I love, and I'll probably make this one because I don't think it's as ugly as that. This one's kind of cute. But I'm glad it's a project. I'm glad it's something I can do. So let's see what's all included in it. I was right that it was a pattern though. So, oh, I missed a star in his nose. Ooh, you can really lose the stuff in the bag that's like just kind of sticking in there. So let's see what is all provided. I wonder if we might get the rest of the stuff for the pillow tomorrow, like the front and back and the binding. We'll see. Okay, so there are a lot of stars cut on here, and then one fell off that I caught. So there's quite a bit of stars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 stars on here. And then we have his nose, the hat. I think this is his beard, maybe. Yeah, so his beard and then the fuzzy ball at the top of the hat up here. And then his coat or body. So we have all of the laser cut applique shapes. I'm not the biggest fan of applique. It never turns out good for me. It looks like on this though, they just did the iron on and then quilted. So I could probably do it that way because my problem is going around all of the outside edges. That's just a train wreck for me. So it's going to make an 18-inch pillow, and we'll need a 1/4 inch for binding, but what do we need for the front and back of the pillow? I don't see that. Oh, 1 yard of background pad fabric. That's for the pillow front, the backing, and the pillow back flaps, and then the 1/4 yard for binding. So I wonder if we might get the fabric to complete this later. It's not tomorrow. We're not going to get it tomorrow because it's not in this little box for day 11. So may have to be something that we get at some point. I'll have to go look on the website for the unboxing and see if it gives a hint, because sometimes we get hints on hold on to this stuff for later. So their patterns are always really detailed. I love how thorough they are on including photos and everything to help you along the way. So it does show though on here that they went around the edges for the applique. So I'm curious about that. Because on the photo, it doesn't look like they did. I don't know. You'll have to let me know what you think when if you got this box and you look through the pattern. I'm not the biggest fan of applique, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do here. I may give it a go and try and do it anyway and just see how it goes. It's kind of cute. I think the only reason I think it's kind of cute is because of the buffalo plaid, or the plaid. It may not be buffalo plaid, but I'm not really into gnomes. I know they're big right now, but it's not my thing. I see them everywhere. I just don't get it. It's not for me. But I did ask for more projects and patterns, and it did show up. And I know a lot of people like gnomes, and they can't get everything right for everyone. Let me know if you love it. So I could not find that adjustable thimble from yesterday on the Missouri Star Quilt Company's website. They had different types of thimbles, a bunch of different ones. And if you didn't watch, this is the one I'm talking about. I know that they do a lot of exclusive stuff just for this box. So that could be the case. I could not find it. I did my best and found something that kind of looks similar to me. It is so hot in this room today. I'm sorry. I'm dying because I have these lights to try to get the video not to be that awful. But it's hot here in Texas. For a while it was really cold and I loved it. Now it's hot and I'm dying in this room. So sorry. I was trying to find something similar and I found something similar on Amazon. I put it in the description yesterday for the thimble. That one was around $6, so it brought the price of the box up to $86.50. That is an estimate because I could not find the exact same thimble. So take that for what it's worth. I think $6 is pretty pricey for a thimble. I did see that somebody did find something similar on a website. I think it was Alibaba. They commented on it on the thimble video where they found something similar. That's a lot cheaper. I think it was between $1 and $3. I'm not really sure because I looked at it pretty quickly. So yeah, so that's the thimble. That's the recap on pricing. Again, this one will probably be an exclusive to this box, so it'll be hard for me to find something similar. Likely what I'll do is just find a pillow pattern on their site, and hopefully I can find something somewhat similar for tomorrow to do a recap on the estimated total for the box. So for day 11, oh, this is a tough one again. I don't know what could be in here. I don't know. I hope it's not another like decorative, just little thing to sit around on, around in the sewing room. I don't know what it could be. I've seen some cute things that, that you sit on top of your sewing machine and it's kind of weighted and then you can hang your like scissors or different tools that you use a lot on it. That would be something really fun and cute because I did see it in somebody's unboxing for a quilt subscription box that I don't subscribe to, and I thought it was the most darling thing ever. Something like that would be cute. I don't know what it is though. I don't know. I guess we'll have to see tomorrow. So if you're interested to find out, be sure to tune back in and see what it might be. But I really appreciate you all being here and watching. Thanks so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.